My dear students. I hope all of you are fine and doing well. So the topic that we will discuss today it is the occurrence of metals. That where does the metal are basically present? So we have basically the three types of the metals in nature. The first one is the high active metals. The second one is the medium active metals, and the third one is the passive noble or the precious metals. Basically, you guys must know that what are the metals? These are the elements that are present in the periodic table as the group 1, group 2, and the group 3A elements. These are known as basically metals, and they have been categorized as metals according to their different types of properties. So let's discuss first its occurrence. We have a high active metals. These metals are basically present in the salt, and their salt types are maybe chloride, sulfate, carbonate, silicate, and phosphate. So here you can have the examples. We have potassium chloride, we have sodium chloride, these are the chlorides. Then we have its nitrates like sodium nitrate, potassium nitrate. Then we have its sulfates, calcium sulfate, magnesium sulfate, calcium carbonates, magnesium carbonate, and iron bicarbonate. Then we have calcium phosphate. Then we have its oxides as well, aluminium oxide, silicon dioxide, the water, potassium oxide. We have aluminium oxide and silicon dioxide. It means here all these metals can be present in their form of oxides. They can be in the form of their chlorides. They can be in their sulfates, and they may be present in the form of their nitrates as well. So this is the occurrence of the high active metals. On the other hand, we have the medium active metals. They are found basically in the oxides and sulfides type. Like we have iron in the 3 and the 2 state, we have chromium, we have tin, we have zinc, lead, mercury, copper, and iron. They are their oxides as well as their sulfides. Then we have the third type, which is the passive and the noble metals. These are also known as the precious metals. They are found in free state or nuggets. It means they are basically inert and they are present in the free state. So this may be gold, which is aurum. Here we have platinum, and here we have the silver. These are the metals that are known as the precious metals, and they are also known as the passive and the inert metals. This is a simple occurrence of the metals in nature. On the other hand, the metals may be also present in the free state or in the combined state. So the metals that we have in the free state, they do not react with the other, and they are freely present in the atmosphere, like they are gold, platinum, silver, and mercury, and their symbols. Gold is as AU aurum, platinum as PT, the silver we have AG, and the mercury we have HG. These metals are present in free state. On the other hand, here we have the metals that are present in the combined state. We may have their oxides, there may be their sulfides, there may be their sulfates, there may be their chlorides, their nitrates, and etc. And these metals, here we have the sodium metal, calcium, potassium, aluminium, lead, copper, and iron, along with the etc. So if we have the example of the combined metals here, the lead, it is as PbS lead sulfide. We have aluminium, its oxide is present, Al2O3. If we have the calcium, then the calcium is present in its fluoride. We have also zinc as its sulfide is present. So the iron, its oxide is present. So this was a simple occurrence of the metals in combined as well as in the free state. Then we have the metals in the presence of impurities. Basically, we have the minerals when they have some type of impurities in it. So the minerals that contain basically metals, and in nature all the metals are present with some type of impurity in this, and this impurity is then be removed by the process of refining or by the process of different types of the metallurgical operations. And these metallurgical operations contain many types of the processes. There may be the different types of reactions, there may be the different types of the physical processes for the purifying process of the metals. So all that depends upon the what type of metal is present and what type of impurities are present in that metal. In this way, the metal is get in pure form. At the end, we have some properties of the metal here. As we have already learned, the metals are present in group 1, 2, and 3A of the periodic table. The metals have conductivity, means they can conduct electricity as well as they can conduct heat. So they are known as conductors. Next, the metals are basically sonorous. They are highly malleable and they are highly ductile. Highly malleable and ductile means they can be converted into wires, sheets, as well as they can be converted into wires. This property is known as the malleability and this is known as the ductility or ductile. They are lustrous. Lustrous means they have shiny appearance or shiny surface or they reflect the light. They have mechanical strength. So that's why they are used for the production of different types of the products in the industries as well. So this is the simple properties of the metals along with their occurrence. I hope you guys understand, and if you have any queries, you may ask me about that in the comment section and I will get back to you guys soon. The next topic that we will discuss it is the basic metallurgical operations. For that time, you guys keep learning and have a good day.